Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time. Today I'm going to bring you It's a Watchman. Now let's open the box to see more details. Here we can see it's a manual book for this model NF9134. This is a big manual. We will provide you 8 kinds of languages to see how to adjust the functions for this model. And this is our guarantee card. We will provide you 1-year guarantee. And now it's our watch. This is a multifunctional genuine leather men's watch. Now let's have a look at the watch dial. There are 3 small windows on the dial, and this window on the 10 o'clock position is for the weekly. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here, and this windows is for the date. And this bigger window is for the normal time. Also, we have an EL backline of this watch. Press this button, you can see the light more clearly. And we can see these woven patterns on the dial. And also, when we press this button, we can change different mode. Now is the normal mode. Push it. When it changes to SP is the chronography mode. This is alarm clock mode. And this is countdown mode. And this is our dual time mode. And now back into the normal mode. If you want to how to setting each function of the mode, we will have another video to teach you how to adjust it. And this is the main button here. The main button is to setting the time of the hands. Okay, let's have a look at the back case. Now we can see here is the waterproof and made in China, and here is our model number NF9134, and this is the genuine leather strap. It's very soft, and this red color is my favorite. Yes, this is a very bright watch. The quality is very cool. How about I wear it on my wrist for you to have a look? Wait a minute. Okay, here is the watch on my wrist. It's a very cool main style. This watch we have 5 colors. Later I will show you all. Hello, welcome back. Here is the 5 colors for this model. Just now I will show you this color, black, but combine the red. Now I will show you these 2 brown color. This is the light brown, and this is the deep brown. And you can see this light brown. We on the indices it have also the orange color. But for this deep brown leather watch, the indices color is yellow, light yellow. the detail on back side. This is the salty steel buckle. The buckle is very high quality and very nice. Stainless steel. Okay, the light brown one and the deep brown one. Which one do you like the best? Now let's have a next color. This is two black one. And this one, it have something different. It's these two colors in the leather. This is the white color and this is the gray color stitching. And also we can see the difference of the indices colors. This is white and this is gray too. The back case. The back side actually is the same. The leather. These two. And the buckle is the same. Okay, this is all for this model today. Which one do you like? Now you can find this NF9134 in our store. Welcome to go to our store to pick the best one you like it. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.